Coach Benji.
Lumapit ka, wala ka sa camera.
Hindi ka nakikita. Ayan, pumasok.
Tagal-tagal mo na rito eh. Hindi pa alam kung saan yung camera.
Oo nga.
Mawalang gana na po. Pero may nawawalang magandang dalagita dito sa Active Center.
Meron? Wala pa ako nakikita maganda rito kahit kailan. Ibig sabihin, meron pumuntang maganda.
Ha? Sino to?
Bala kaya pumunta sa Araneta Center pero dito napadpad sa atin.
Araneta Center, hindi Smart Araneta.
Maganda. Ano pang ginagawa mo rito? Kunin mo.
Ayan, kunin mo.
Tara,
Mas
Jasmine.
gusto ko siya tignan kay... Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Active Center, Miss Ritz Azul!
Hi! Hello!
O, kayong dalawang...
Coach
Ay,
Benji
ikaw,
and-
mukha kang addict nung ka. Hindi ka pwede rito.
Ritz, alam naman namin, nakita ka namin sa PBA last week. You're a big PBA fan now, aren't you?
Yes, oo. Kasi family namin sobrang big fan ng PBA.
What team?
Ginebra.
Ginebra? Ay, nako. Hindi pwede kasi nagtatrabaho ka dito.
Yun na nga eh.
Joke lang.
But last week you were cheering for Talk and Text and...
Yes, oo. Kasi
Pero malungkot siya sabi niya, yes. Oo.
hindi, nung una ako nagpunta sa Smart Araneta, Ginebra ako. So, Ginebra and Talk and Text yung naglalaban nung Sunday. So, Talk and Text muna ako.
Alright. Well,
Kasi Talk and Text nagbigay ng ticket sa'yo.
Hindi
Tama?
naman.
Hindi.
you can be an Air 21 fan now because of Mike.
Yes.
Maybe we
Second
could...
Wala na.
Oh, yan. Sige nga.
Knock
Style mo! Style mo! Style mo,
Okay.
boy. Sige.
sige, tira mo.
Sige.
I-aim mo sa mukha.
Ano ba?
Batuhin mo sa mukha.
Sige. One more. Sige.
Knock.
No. Tama na yan. Ako na lang magtuturo mamaya. And now, of course, we're with Miss Ritz Azul. And Ritz, welcome again. And you know, you're part of the Kidlat cast, no? And,
Yes.
Kamusta naman yan? How's the cast? I mean, syempre sa basketball, importante yung teamwork tsaka yung samahan nyo. Is it the same with you guys?
Oo, parehas kasi kailangan talaga ng teamwork and
May mga nagpapastar ba ron? Wala.
wala naman. Yun, luckily,
Sabi nila, may
nakasama.
attitude ka na ron.
Hala,
Wala.
ano ba yun? Bakit?
May chismis lang, kung nag-attitude ka na ron.
Sabi nila.
Sabi nila. Gusto daw nila may sarili kang tent. Gusto mo daw meron kang sariling ano.
Anyway, so kumusta naman yung cast nyo?
Sobrang saya, lalo na kapag kasama sina Erica, sina Derek,
Si Erika, madaldal yun.
sobrang
walang tigil
dalati.
yun.
Medyo magulo yung tao niyan. Kamusta naman yung relationship niyo ni Erica? Kasi syempre, siya yung kasama namin dito. How is she naman pag acting when she's on the set? Kasi sa amin, medyo minsan lalaki si Erica sa amin kasi
Lalaki yun.
Lalaki talaga siya,
Ganun din
pati
siya
sa set.
sa set.
Tapos, minsan
Nagpapalit ng
nag-yoga.
damit yun, biglaan eh. Sa harapan.
Oo nga,
Ganun ka ano yun eh. Ganun kalalaki
Ganun
yun.
siya. Then, minsan din sa set, sobrang kulit pero seryoso siya sa ginagawa niya.
Alright, so maraming nagtitweet sa akin na kung ano ba pwedeng tanong dito kay Ritz. And of course, yung pinaka madalas ko nakikita is, are you single and ready to mingle?
Yes.
Yo!
Yes.
Can you ask
Mike, are you
Can you-
single and ready to mingle?
He's waiting for the punchline. There's no punchline, it's just a question.
Just a yes or no. Yes.
Single.
All right. So, being that was
You can be single and you can be single.
what are the the
Qualities.
traits and the qualities that you look for in a man?
For-
Mike.
First, gusto ko mas matangkad sa akin.
Oh.
Means
Oy.
should be taller than
Taller,
her.
yeah. Taller.
Dang.
That's number
Oh,
one.
number one. Write down.
Number two?
Number two.
Respectful.
Uy.
Respectful.
I got that one.
Responsible.
Responsible.
Responsible. Yes.
Responsible how?
And everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
So, I mean, we have a short gist of what you look for in a guy. So, how does that translate? Sino ba yung mga crush mo naman sa PBA?
May crush.
Baka, para masabi namin kung may ganun silang qualities.
Oo.
No, di ba, Coach? Para masabi natin.
Sino ba ang number one?
Number one, Gmap Alapag.
Ayun, responsible yun.
Akala ko ba Hinebra ka?
Ito, second
Niloko
ko,
mo ako eh.
Chris Ellis.
Chris Ellis.
Chris Ellis.
Actually, tie sila kasi.
Tay
Uy!
sila. Ano,
Uy,
ano nagustuhan mo
Jimmy.
kay Chris Ellis?
Lalo na last Sunday nung napanood ko siya, harapan.
Yun, no?
Grabe.
Yun. Uy,
Gwapo.
Gwapo.
Pero
Tapos
nagalingan ka sa
matata-
paglaro o gwapo lang?
Magaling, magaling.
Oo. Kasi may, alam mo kasi sa PBA, 3 lang yung sumisikat.
Parang bumawi nga siya no Sunday.
Explain ko sa'yo, sa PBA 3 yung sumisikat.
Sino?
Magaling ka, pero pangit ka. Okay? Pangalawa naman, gwapo ka, pero hindi ka magaling. Yung pangatlo, bihira
Benji
lang yung
Paras.
nakakapunta dyan. Gwapo ka, saka magaling.
Sino yun?
Well, ayan o.
ayan.
Mark
ito.
Agiwa.
Ito. So, Mark Agiwa, number 3.
Yes.
Number 3, bakit si Mark?
Kasi magaling.
Magaling. O, so hindi gwapo. So inamin mo na, magaling siya, hindi gwapo. Tama? Kakasabi ko na. Ito, si Chris Chu.
Oh, Chris Chu.
Ano masasabi mo kay Chris Chu?
Gwapo at magaling.
Gwapo at magaling.
Oh.
Okay. Sige.
And lastly, ay si
LA
Teniente.
Teniente, ano siya? Nagagalingan ka sa kanya? Magaling siya maglaro, di ba? O, so hindi siya gwapo, pangit siya. Kasi, hindi, sabi mo magaling, nagagalingan ka eh. Yes or no?
Kawawa na talaga ako.
Kawawa naman.
Sabi niya, ba't ba ako nag-guest dito?
Bakit ganun? Si Chris Chu, kahit pawisan, mukha pa rin mabango. Bakit si Kobe Zaya, pag pinagpawisan, parang niluwa ng sawa?
Kahit naman hindi pagpawisan yan, ganun din na itsura niya. Hintayin mo pang pinagpawisan.
Okay lang ba na medyo pawisan si Chris kanina? Pwede pa ba yan sa'yo, Ritz?
Oo naman.
So
Basta,
okay lang sa'yo kahit mabaho si Chris Chu.
sabi nga niya, mukha pa rin siya mabango. So,
Mukha lang. Eh kung mabaho, okay pa rin sa'yo.
amuyin natin.
Ay!
Wow!
Okay.
Okay! Galing naman kay Michael, ang cute ni Danigan and Ritz together.
They said you look good together.
It's a nice.
It's a nice.
So nice.
It's a nice.
It's a nice.
Period.
Galing kay Arn, Ritz Azul, and Team Dandan. New love team! Yes! I am all for this.
Bakit ganun? Ang bilis naman.
Bakit?
Mabilis dito kasi konti lang oras natin. Konti lang oras.
Pero masaya! Mga kapatid, sana panoorin niyo po ang Kidlat. 6:45 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan sana.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you sa pagsuporta palagi and dinig ko mataas ang ratings. Thank you sa inyo.
Maganda rin.
Good job.
Good job.
Good
Ayun
job.
yung sumali doon.
Good job! Malalaman natin mamaya kasi may ano tayo eh. Baka audition mamaya, malay natin.
Meron,
Coach.
meron.
Let's run into your
Orange.
social media comments para kay Ritz. And,
Oy, yan.
Yan. Galing kay Sharwin T. The active center suddenly got way better when Ritz Azul appeared. No offense to Benji Paras, Mike Danigan, and
Oh,
Aaron
it's
Atayde.
okay.
Thank you.
No, it's fine.
No, it's okay.
lang. Okay lang.
I'm used to that.
Galing naman kay Jolo. Wow, ang ganda talaga ni Ritz Azul. Sana palagi siyang nasa active center.
Oy, depende. Gusto mo ba lagi dito?
Oo naman. Kukulitin mo ako palagi.
Ay!
Kukulitin kita lagi.
Ayun. Galing naman kay Arman. Ritz, para sa'yo, sino ang pinakagwapong host ng active
Ay.
center? Ay.
Kailangan pa ba sabihin yan?
Nako.
Kasi yung choices dyan, Miko
Miko.
Aguili, Jason Webb,
Si Miko ba kasali pa yon?
oh! Richard Del Rosario,
Bata pa yun eh.
si Coach Benji Paras, or... pwede naman na...
Kailangan pa ba sabihin yan?
Kailangan pa bang sabihin yan? Diyos ko naman.
Kailangan
Sino
pa
ba?
ba?
Sino ba pinaka-gwapong host?
Ikaw mamili ka. Magaling na hindi kagwapuhan. Hindi gwapo pero magaling
Oo nga.
o both?
Baka mamaya kasi pag sabihin niya, Coach, na
Magaling ka mag-host.
you're the best looking one,
Pero hindi ako
hindi ka
magaling.
magaling,
Oo
hindi
nga.
ka magaling mag-host.
Paano yun?
Paano yun, Coach?
Doon
So,
ako.
Pinakagwapo.
Doon ako sa gwapo. Sa gwapo na lang ako.
so yung sagot mo is...
Kailangan pa ba talaga?
Ay, kailangan. Naku,
syempre, nandito ka eh.
nakakaya sa mga ano natin.
Hiningi ng
Ng
question
mga
yan ng
fans natin yan.
Or we can
Sige.
ask Mike also.
Yes.
Mike, who is the best looking host of the Active Center?
I would like to call on Kobisaya.
Bisaya.
Ko Bisaya. Wow!
Ba't naka-costume ka na? Dito wala pa eh. Ano ka ba dito?
Where's the rest of it?
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Ano yung dito? Hawak ang kamay ni Kobisaya sa bewang ni Rich.
Huy!
Wow!
Relax lang, boy. Relax
Yes.
lang.
At nakahawak ang kamay ni Rich sa ilong ni Kobisaya.
Dito ba?
Yan. Yan. Okay. And then,
Uh-oh.
a super villain suddenly comes in. Sino si ano? J.R. Smith.
Pepe Smith!
Oh!
Teka muna.
Oh,
Ano nangyari?
Sige, pumasok ka, pasok ka.
pasok ka.
Dito ka umarap. Nasa likod mo yung camera.
Ano ba?
Gaga.
Ayan, yan. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Sino to? Pirate ba to?
Pirate of the
Smith.
Pirate.
Okay.
naman.
Okay.
Why is there a pirate?
Ngayon, bigla niya nga hindi alam ni Rich
man.
na meron palang weakness itong si Kindat.
Okay.
Ang kanyang weakness ay English. Ngayon, kakausapin siya ng English ni supervillain J.R. Smith.
Okay. Go.
Hey, Kobisaya. You can defeat my indomitable power.
Ayun, at biglang manghihina si Kobisaya. Mapapahawak sa shorts ni J.R.
Oh.
Hahawakan niya ito pababa. Bumagsak si Kobisaya.
Oh, God.
Tumama ang muka sa sapatos ni JR.
Akala ko sa
Ang
akin.
ang muka ni Kobisaya sa sapatos ni JR. Hoy, makinig ka.
Ano na nangyayari?
Okay.
Usog ka para makita ng tao.
Bumagsak
Doon
sa
ka
muka.
nakita.
Ayan.
Yan.
Okay.
Okay.
At nanghina si Kobisaya.
Is he okay?
I don't know.
Yeah,
We're...
it's okay. I don't care. At si Rich naman, Rich cries for her life.
parang hindi siya ganun ka-in love.
What?
Oo, hinimatay, ano mo, nakatawa ka. Para naman sira ulo nito.
Paano ba?
Yan! At pati si Kobisaya cries for help dahil nanghihina na siya. Umihiya. Then suddenly, Super Danigan arrives to save the day.
Oh, no.
Wow! He's so tall!
Kobisaya, Super Danigan, you will hold Rich's hand.
Oh, yeah, that's what superheroes do.
Yup. Rich will stand up.
Wow!
Rich will look in Danigan's eyes.
Ooh.
You're so tall.
And she will sneeze.
Oh, that's just mean, man.
I'm reading the script.
All
Come on.
right.
Sneeze.
She will sneeze.
That's
And,
bogus. That's just bogus.
and Super Danigan will say, that's me.
No.
Okay. And then Super Danigan will say a heroic speech to Rich. And he doesn't say what, I don't know, he just make it up, make it up.
Make it up. Oh, I'm here to save you.
Academy Award
That's a
winning.
good one. Okay. The supervillain tries to defeat him.
Oh.
You will ask him again what you asked Kobisaya. Go.
You cannot defeat my indomitable power.
Replay. Take two.
And Super Danigan will say, huh? And J.R. Smith will repeat again.
You cannot defeat my indomitable power.
And Super Danigan will say, what?
What?
And again.
You can't defeat my
Tuloy mo.
Tuloy mo!
You cannot defeat my indomitable power.
Ano daw?
Indomitable power.
Bakit?
Okay. Then, And then,
It's okay.
Super Danigan uses his magic pick to defeat J.R. Smith.
Uh-oh.
He will fall on the lap of Kobisaya. And he will cry like a baby. Like a baby. And Kobisaya will comfort him. Okay. And now, Super Danigan will say a very heroic and romantic thing to Ritz.
Oh.
Well, yeah.
No, to Ritz.
Oh,
That's
oh.
not Ritz. That's Ritz.
That's
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Don't
sorry.
mind them. That's,
Oh, no, they're done for?
yeah, they're
Okay,
done.
okay.
done.
Well, they're done for. Want to go to dinner?
Yeah. Yes. Like I told you a while ago, we only have a short time. So that's why you need to do it
You need
fast.
to go fast.
Okay.
Go fast.
Ritz will thank Danigan by holding his hand.
Ooh.
Thank you so much for
And-
saving my life.
yes.
Yan!
Anytime, anytime.
And Kobisaya will stand up
Oh, wala na yung kindat.
and he will look at Ritz and will embrace Super Danigan and will say thank you.
Thank you.
And the super villain JR will stand up again. And he will talk to Kobisaya with his powerful speech. Go!
You cannot defeat my indomitable power.
And Kobisaya and the super villain will leave. They will go away.
Parang
And will
haba
not-
na nito. Parang
Kaya
wala
nga.
na to sana.
Anyway, that's the end of our story.
Congratulations! Good job, Super Dandan. Super Dandan. Ritz, you
Ritz, you
wanna
want to say
plug
plug
once
it?
again?
Yeah. Guys, don't forget to watch Kidlat every night, Mondays to
Sorry, man.
Fridays,
I gotta kick out of that
6:45 p.m. And thank you so much for supporting.
Thank you.
Mike,
And
you-
you would like to invite them for your game
Mike,
on
say hi to all the
Sunday?
fans.
All the fans.
Say hi to all the Air 21 fans, Ube Republic. Shout out to my man Chris at Troop Shop. And I'm loving the Philippines.
Yes, of course.
Oh, wrong camera. My bad.
No, yes, okay. And ako naman, I would like to say hi to my wife, to my kids, Andre, Kobe, Sam and Yagi, Mami Ida, Papa Sid. Oy, Ola's watching, and hi to Mercy and Romy. Sino pa ba? And to Coach Chris, happy birthday.
What is
Hindi ko na.
This is his wave.
This is the,
Para sa amin
It's
lahat
official
dito sa
wave.
This is the thing.
We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you!